Welcome to the MEDomicsLab installation guide for Linux. To begin, head to the MEDomicsLab website page. Once there, scroll to the download section, select a release for your operating system and click download. Once the download finishes, go to your downloads folder and double-click to open the file. If the download panel does not open, right-click on the file to open it using another app. Once the download panel is open, hit Install to launch the installation. You may be asked to enter your user password for confirmation. This will bring up the installation window. From here, all you need to do is wait for the installation to finish. Once the installation finishes, open the Applications menu and click on MEDomicsLab. During this initial launch, MEDomicsLab will check for and install any required libraries. In this case, MongoDB was already installed on the system, and we only need to install the remaining libraries by clicking Start Setup. You can monitor progress using the progress bar on the screen, and you can use the terminal to track the running processes. Once the setup is complete, click Close. You'll then be prompted to set up your workspace folder. After that, you're ready to start using the app. One last tip. If you want to check the status of all services within the app, you can click on the settings icon located at the bottom left. This section will display the current status of the server, the database, and other essential services. If you encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to get in touch. We're here to help. Thank you for choosing MEDomicsLab, and happy exploring!